3DOS is an early stage company that is developing an implant to guide bone regeneration in oral and maxillofacial surgery. Our technology is based on a patented and innovative material that is biodegradable, customizable, and 3D printable. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons have a problem with segmental bone defects. In the case of an autograft, for example, both the patient and the surgeon have various pain points. The patient can experience pain morbidity, bone loss, temporary or permanent sensitivity and numbness, bleeding, fracture, physical feature ulcerations, and extra recovery time. Since there are two surgeries, the first surgery adds extra facility time, which can be very expensive at about $80 per minute. There's also time for the surgeon to shape the bone during the surgery, which can be up to 1 to 2 hours, depending upon the skill of the surgeon. A titanium plate may also be required, and this can be very expensive. A customized titanium plate can be upwards to $10,000 to $12,000, while an off-the-shelf plate may be several $1,000s. And lastly, aesthetics are a concern for both the patient and the surgeon. We will set a new clinical standard with an implant to promote bone regeneration for oral and maxillofacial reconstruction. We start with the same cone beam CT scan and DICOM file and digitize the defect. What you see here is an actual example of a patient with 4 teeth missing and a mandibular defect. We would go through an iterative design process with the oral surgeon, and once the oral surgeon approves, we will finalize design and 3D print it.
Hi, I'm Alice Limke-King, CEO of Sleep Architects, and we're enabling dentists to revolutionize the care of obstructive sleep apnea. Over 30 million Americans have obstructive sleep apnea, and 80% of them are undiagnosed. The patient's problem is that the therapy is continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, this mask that patients find uncomfortable and difficult, which causes non-compliance rates of over 50%. First off, we've addressed patient affordability by creating a nationwide, unique patient financing program called Sleep Now, Pay Later. No credit checks, no denials, everyone's approved, and everyone gets life-saving therapy for only $199 a month. This is exclusive to Sleep Architects. Next, we've created a platform called Sleep Connect, where we use patient texting and education videos to communicate with patients step-by-step to guide them through the therapy, to take them through a simple workflow, and the dentists don't have to lift a finger. With our Sleep Experts program, we connect and help execute home sleep tests between medical doctors and patients that patients can use right in their own bed. And again, the dentist and their staff don't need to be involved, and we get the high quality diagnosis performed for them.
There are nearly 2 billion dental injections given every year. 90% of dentists said that they would like a drug that is faster acting, more reliable, or less painful than the drug that they're currently using. Now, the great thing about our technology is that we know that once we get the acid out of a drug, it's going to get the job done. It's a buffered anesthetic like we talked about. We're going to offer that drug in a standard dental cartridge.